Hi everybody, my name is Diksha. Welcome back to my channel.
So today we are going to make a rainbow keychain.
For this you need a cotton rope and woolen yarn of different colors and a key ring. Now take the cotton rope and fold it like this. Cut the extra part of the rope so that we can make a rainbow. Just keep on cutting the thread until you have around 6 pieces. Now start by tying a knot and then keep wrapping the yarn tightly around the cotton rope. You can go for any color yarn depending on the color you want to see on your rainbow. Trim the extra part. Now take another pair of rope and mark the starting and ending point where we have to wrap the thread. Now keep on wrapping the thread. Tie a knot and cut the extra part. Two pairs are ready and cut the extra part. Take another pair of rope and repeat the same process. Cut the extra part of the rope. And untangle the rope from the below like this. You can also take the help of a comb. Trim the bottom if it is required. Now stick the 3 ropes one on top of the other. I am sticking it with hot glue. Now take this key ring and hang it on this rainbow. And that's it. You can also hang this keychain on your backpack, purse, etc. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to like and subscribe.